Take a slow breath in and gently let it go. Again, inhale through the heart. Exhale through the soul. Let your shoulders drop. Let your breath slow. Let your heart open just a little more. We come together today not as strangers, not as distant onlookers, but as family. Because the moment a child, a mother, a father, a brother, a sister, or even a neighbor leaves this world, we feel it. Not because we knew their names, but because we were made of the same light, the same eternal energy that breathes through all of us. So today, as we gather in silence, we gather not to escape the pain, but to hold it with presence, to cradle the sorrow of this moment in the arms of love. Let yourself be here now. Let the breath be your anchor. Let your heartbeat be a drum of remembrance. And let your soul speak gently, as if whispering across the skies, "You are not forgotten. You are not gone. You are my brother. You are my sister." We breathe for those who no longer can. We cry for the families left behind. We bow to the courage of every soul who transitioned. And we remember that no storm, no water, no wave can wash away love. Take a moment now to see the faces in your heart. Even if you've never met them, imagine the children, the elders, the families, hold them in your awareness. Place your hand on your heart and whisper quietly, "You are a part of me. You are home in my love." Now, imagine their light, not gone, but expanded, not drowned, but lifted. Not ended, but transformed. See their energy rising, peaceful, serene, golden. Being embraced by the universe, being held just as you are held now. And as you breathe in, feel this truth that we are one. One body, one energy, one breath, and one eternal family. So let us walk forward from this moment, not hardened by tragedy, but opened, more alive, more grateful, more loving, more aware that every soul matters. And if ever the world feels too broken to bear, remember, healing begins the moment you care. And today, you did. Let that be your offering. Let that be your prayer. May all who left this earth find peace. May all who grieve find comfort. May we, the living, become vessels of deeper love. And so it is.